But into engifuna ukuyazi-ke engifisa ubacaca ngoba mina I know about your journey, I know everything. Ubacacisela abantu ukuthi ngoba ukhulumile ngokuthi wawusebenza ema-ofisi and wawunesikhundla esihle esikhulu sakwi-department usakwi-industry ye-tourism. But before that, ngicela bacacisele wawufundeni lo waze wayi-give up wayibona usuka-tourism.
Ukufunda kwami ngafunda idrama. I did idrama thina sisayenza khona kwakuse-Natal Technikon ngo-96 to 98. I always brag and say I did that course in record time. Ngaphuma ngagraduate, ngaphuma nesitifiketi sami because I did something that I was passionate about. I didn't want to do anything else but drama. The only thing I ever saw myself do was perform in front of people, be it dancing, be it singing, be it acting. All I ever wanted was to perform in front of people. If you give me an opportunity to speak to people, I would just speak my heart out and motivate and inspire people. It's always been a thing of mine. So when I studied drama, I was healed in a way. I'm doing the one thing that I really, really, really wanted to do. And God bless my parents that they supported me, and my entire family, they supported me. And I did what I really loved. And they allowed me to do what I loved. And they would support me because when we are studying, we actually have plays at the theater that our families need to come and watch, because we were trained in theater. And so our parents would come watch, our families would come watch. It used to be something that used to heal us, to think, oh my, we are doing something that is actually making our parents happy, and other people, it entertains other people. So I studied drama, and that is my profession. I am a drama graduate. But I left the industry because imisebenzi ayikho in the entertainment industry in South Africa. It is very difficult to find a job. And the next job, the first job that I found, funny enough, needed my performance or my theatrical expertise. And I found that in the tourism industry. And basically my job was to deal with tourists and to take tourists around and just show them how the Zulu people used to live. But when you speak to tourists, you must remember you're speaking to people from different countries who, some of them, English is not their first language, but you need to speak it in such a manner that they all understand. So Russia, and everyone used to wonder why. And then I always used to say, perhaps it is my my theater background, because we are taught to articulate so that people can hear everything that you're saying. So that, yeah, that's my career. What is that? That's my academic journey.
Yeah, so at least abantu sebeyazi ukuthi hayi awumananga nje, it's not something okuthi kwaba yiphutha ukuthi uyibone usuyenza, ngoba nakho kuthiwa hayi sengiyisangoma awuthi ngizenzele nje amakhambana azongenza ukuthi mangifika kuma-audition. Ngoba ngangifunda naye-ke mina uDon wayesibulale, wawina wonke ama-award. So nje le ndaba yama-award ningacabanga ukuthi into yamanje, mhlampe aqale manje ukuthi usewina ama-award o-best actress no-best bani. Ningaze ngicabanga ukuthi mhlampe khona kwenzayo endumbeni ukuze abe umlingisi ophambili.